For over 100 years, Carver Incorporated has supplied presses to laboratories and research facilities around the world. Wabash MPI has been providing precision presses to manufacturing industries for more than 80 years. Our vision as a company is to be a world-class supplier of laboratory and production presses. Our sales and engineering teams are skilled and professional, assisting customers in developing and implementing their specific applications. We have experience across multiple markets, including composites, laminating, compression molding, and pelletizing. From standard equipment to custom-engineered presses, we are a global leader in our field. Whether it's producing medical parts for laboratory development or creating parts for the aerospace industry, our advancements have propelled our customers forward. We deliver exactly what they need with professional-grade products. Our service team travels worldwide and brings decades of experience, while our manufacturing team is dedicated to providing the highest quality presses and accessories. Carver Incorporated and Wabash MPI are your trusted source for all your press applications.